element. A substance which cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by chemical reaction is called element. It is made up of only one kind of atom. There are only 92 naturally occurring elements known to us at the present. So, on the basis of their properties, all the elements are divided into metals and non-metals. Now first, we'll discuss about the metal in detail. Metals. Physical property of metals. Malleability. The property which allows the metal to be harmed into thin sheet. So we can say of metal are malleable. Ductility. The property which allows the metal to be drawn into wires. So metal are ductile. Conductivity. Metals allow heat and electricity to pass through them. So they are good conductor of heat. Therefore, the cooking utensils are made up of metal and they are good conductor of electricity and heat. Hence, conducting wires are made up of copper and aluminium. Luster. Metal have shiny appearance, lustrous, so the metal like gold and silver are used to make the jewelry. Strength. Metal are strong. Example, iron metal is very strong and high tensile strength. Due to this, it is used to construct buildings, bridge and track. Sonorous. Metals produce ringing sound when they are hit. The use of metals for making bells is based on this property. Hardness. Metals are generally hard. Hardness of metal varies from metal to metal. Iron is very hard metal, whereas sodium and potassium metal are soft and can easily cut with a knife. Chemical properties of metal. Reaction of metal with oxygen. When metals react with oxygen, forms metal oxide. Let us take some examples of some metal react with oxygen. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, magnesium oxide is produced. When sodium reacts with oxygen, sodium oxide is produced. Metal oxides are basic in nature as they turn red litmus to blue. Reaction of metal with water. When metal react with water, then metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas is formed. Sodium metal reacts violently with cold water and produce sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and catches fire. So sodium and potassium metal are always kept in kerosene as it reacts with the moisture in the air and catches fire. Reaction of metal with acids. Most of the metal react with dilute acid to form salt and water. When magnesium react with hydrochloric acid, forms magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas.
How can we detect the gas released is hydrogen?
When we bring a lighted matchstick near the mouth of test tube through which gas is released, it will burn with pop sound but metal like copper, gold, silver do not react with dilute acid. You must have observed in your house, food stuff like pickle, chutney and curd are always stored in plastic or glass containers, not in metal containers.
Yes ma'am, but why?